Now to a story more and more people are starting to pay attention to. Concerns over the spread of bird flu really are growing.
So much so that local health officials aren't sure that we can actually handle a deadly outbreak in people. NBC 10's Manoj Kwangwari live in East Boston with more on what we're learning.
Well, some of the state's top infectious disease experts are saying we could end up in another pandemic. Now, the Trump administration has announced it is doing what it can to combat bird flu, but this virus is mutating. And with the widespread cuts the Trump administration has gone forward with, well, some believe it's impeding on their progress. So yesterday, what we saw was some of the top scientists, clinicians, and public health professionals led by Harvard Medical School gathered at a public forum. Now that here in Massachusetts, the outbreak is the largest the state has ever seen. And they discussed how dire a situation this is. According to the Globe, one of the experts comparing this to a volcano about to erupt. But this is not a down-the-road issue. Bird flu right now is causing farmers to, quote, depopulate their chickens or turkeys that contract the virus. This has resulted in skyrocketing egg and poultry prices. In fact, some retailers like BJ's, Costco's, and Aldi are opting to ration sales. And to make matters worse, the USDA predicts egg prices to soar another 20% this year. And you look at it nationally, this is being considered the worst outbreak in a decade. For as far as the solution, we know that Massachusetts-based Moderna is right now working on what would be the first bird flu vaccine, and we, of course, will be keeping you updated on that. But for right now, we're live here in East Boston. Manoj Kwangwari, NBC 10 Boston.